Hello everyone, welcome back to Chung Social Tool Channel. Today I will show you how to manage a large number of accounts. I will also warm up those accounts for you. First, I'll open the Automation tool X. In this tool, you can add a large number of Twitter accounts. You can also assign a separate proxy to each account. This helps avoid account suspensions. Okay, you can log in like this. Select the account, highlight it, and log in. The software will automatically open child browsers to sign in. On day 1, you can add accounts into the software like this. You can organize accounts into categories. Create separate groups for each category. Each category has its own account file. Add accounts here. You can add accounts in the format you have: user, password, 2FA code, email, cookie, token. Add them here. After day 1, once you've logged in, we move to day 2. On day 2, I will create an automatic warming script for the accounts. Go to the Interaction Script section. I will create a script. I already have a script ready here for these accounts to work automatically. Press Add New Script and choose the script. If you don't have a script yet, enter the script name here. There are actions like read this notification, like this post, report, scroll the feed, or follow random posters on the feed. Below, there are more advanced actions. I will cover those on later days when we build more scripts. On day 2, we'll focus only on the actions I mentioned above. Save your script. After naming it, save. Then press Refresh Data and choose the day -2 script. Next, select the account category you want. If you pick a category, the software shows the accounts in that category. Or choose All. Now set the number of threads. Threads mean how many accounts run at the same time. I'll set it to 13 threads, so 13 accounts run simultaneously. You can schedule the script to run automatically every few hours. On day 2, it's fine to run the script twice that day. After settings are done, select the accounts. I'll select 25 accounts and press Start. The tool will automatically open those accounts and run the tasks for you.